as you slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the thoughts you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You can't bully me, deter, you see. I've seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. You choke under you surround your neck, and I'll turn in pain, and I'll change my ways, know my name as it's called again. I'll take mine. Now let me in the trip patrol. Fresh like broken mind. Sometimes you and see the world hang upside down and understand the dependence when you know their makers high. So make your silence call, sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's meant to be. We got one more song for you. We'd like to welcome back on stage as many of the musicians who have played today as possible. Ladies and gents, have a shot for the Magnetic Zeros.